back to Real Trading Journey. Today I'm going to show you a position that I entered last night in gold, and having worked on my precision entries last week, I think this is a good one. First of all, if you look at the overall trend, it's on an uptrend and has been moving on an uptrend for many a year. Since the point of September the 1st, it's broken out of an area of consolidation and had a very good rally all the way up to this point. I wanted to have a look at if I could find a good precision entry, having just had the resistance area of the round number of 4,000 broken out yesterday. On that basis, I knew that it was going to be a very strong area for buyers to come back into the market. So moving back into the 1 hour chart, you can see that it's broke out the top side of the channel yesterday. It's then had a reversal back into a Fibonacci retracement area of 50%, which also coincides with 4,000. Knowing that the 4,000 area was going to be very highly contested for buyers to start getting back into the market, I placed a buy limit order at 4,004 with a stop loss area at 3,095. That order got triggered last night at 10 to 1. So I got into the market. So when I woke up this morning, the position was already into a solid risk reward of 4.4. So I've let it run. I think the entry position is good. From my perspective at the moment, what I'm trying to do is look at where I've entered from. If I think it's a good area, then I'm happy to hold it. If I think it's an area that perhaps won't hold overnight, then I'll take off any profit within that trading day. I think it's a solid area at 4,000. I don't think that it's going to get taken out anytime soon. And if it does, quite frankly, I need to be out of the markets and waiting for a better entry position. Something else that made it quite a nice area to consider getting into was the fair value gap left behind on the 1 hour chart. And I looked to try and get in halfway between that fair value area, which was at 4,004. And I put my stop loss under 4,000 area and equally under the candle that gave the fair value gap. Current position as it stands at the moment with the gold position is up by £300, just shy of. What it just shows is that whilst I maybe have made some trades that have lost over the recent weeks and months, it is only going to take one, maybe two very good trades with good risk reward to get me back into a solid profitable position. I'm going to hold this position. I think the entry is good, so we'll see how we get on over the next few days. And once we've finished that trade and we've closed that trade, hopefully the account will be back in good, reasonable stead and we can push forward from there.